makes noise, we can play different sounds, all with the noises our bellies make. And I can be...